Alright, so this is an introduction to NPM. NPM is the package manager for Node.js. So we're going to talk a little bit about packages, how to use them, and how to install them. If you look in this directory, we have two files. We have our app, and we have this file called package.json. So let's just get started, and let's just run our app. Alright, so we have a problem. Cannot find module express. So let's look at our app and try to figure out what's going on. So we have these require statements. These require statements are actually how we include external libraries in a Node.js application. So here we're actually requiring express, requiring consolidate, and requiring MongoDB. So we actually depend on all of these libraries. So even though our application doesn't do anything, we're depending on all of these libraries for this example. So the first thing we can do to solve this problem is use npm install express. So we saw that the error message was cannot find module express, so let's just install that and see if it works. Alright, so we just installed express. Now let's try to run our application. So we have another issue. Cannot find module consolidate. So if we go back to our app, see we don't just include express, we require consolidate and MongoDB. So we could actually install each of those individually, or we could use our package.json file. So a lot of Node.js applications come with a package.json file, which basically has some metadata about the package, including its dependencies. So if we look in here, we can see the name, intro to npm, we can see the version, and we can see the description of the package, and the entry point of our application, and a list of dependencies with their versions. So let's see what we can do with this file. So npm actually knows about this package.json file. So if we just type npm install, npm will actually install automatically the packages in the package.json file. So now if we try to run our application, it runs successfully. One more thing that I want to note about npm is that it installs the local modules in the node modules directory. So you'll have to install the dependencies locally for all of our examples and stencil code that we provide, even if we don't show that step in every video. You can actually install them globally, but for now we'll just cover installing them in the node modules directory for each application that you write. So we can take a look just to verify that we've installed the modules that we expect. We can see consolidate, express, and MongoDB. So that's a basic introduction to the Node.js package manager, and that should be all you need to complete this course.